All right, here are transformations of our parents moving up and down. We have vertical shifts using our parent functions. Notice that is a function, and then we're adding d. So I want you to go ahead and write this down. And what it's going to do is if you have a plus d at the end of the function, it's going to move it up or down, depending on what the d value is. Now, if the d value is positive, you're going to move up. And how you find the new set of ordered pairs is you're going to add d to all the y values, because y represents the vertical, the up and down. So I want you to go ahead and write down this entire thing. If you need to pause it, go ahead and do so. Now, if the function is subtracting d, again, that's at the end of the function, it's going to shift it down d units. And how you find that new set of ordered pairs is you're going to subtract d from all the y values. The y values are your vertical axes. Go ahead and pause if you need to. Now, on the next two slides here, I don't want you to write them down. We'll again practice the examples together. So what we have is our parent function of our parabola, and we're going to shift it up 2 units. So here is our parent in the red of our parabola, and now notice that we have a plus 2 at the end of the function, so it's going to pick it up and move it 2 places. Notice this distance, so there's a new. So we're adding from here to there 2 units. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 3. So we're adding 2 to all those y values to be able to shift it up 2 units. All right, here's another example I don't want you to write down. Here is our parent of our parabola. And now we have a minus 2. So remember what a minus 2 does? It shifts it down 2 units. So here is our parabola shifting down 2 units. So we're going to take those y values. Here's our new y values, and we're going to subtract 2. So 0 subtract 2 is negative 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 1 minus 1, or 1 minus 2, negative 1. And you continue that. And then these would be your new ordered pairs of your new transformation. All right, we're going to move on to doing 2 examples together. We're going to just choose the absolute value function again. It's very nice to see. So the purple function is your parent, already graphed out for you. And we're going to go ahead and create a transformation. So we're going to say our new transformation is y equals the absolute value of x. Now notice where this is going to happen. We're going to say plus 3. It's not inside the absolute value. It's at the end. It's outside. So that's telling us if it's a plus 3, it's moving up 3 units. So to be able to create our new set of ordered pairs, we have to add 3 to the y's. So all of these values here, we have to add 3 to them. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now all of these x values in this column just stay the same. We're not changing the horizontal axes values. So I'm just repeating those values. All right, now we get to go ahead and graph it. So over 0, up 3. Negative 1, up 4. Over 1, up 4. Negative 2, up 5. Right 2, up 5. Notice our graph has shifted up every ordered pair by 3 units on the vertical axes, the y-axes. All right, last example. Again, same absolute value parent function. And now let's go ahead and say y equals the absolute value of x. And let's go ahead and say subtract 2. So since this is subtract 2, we're going down 2 units. So we have to subtract 2 from all the y's. So we're going to take all these values here and subtract 2. So 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 1 minus 2, negative 1. 1 minus 2, negative 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. All these x values have not changed. So we go ahead and just repeat those. 0, negative 1, 1, negative 2, 2. Let's go ahead and graph them now. We'll have our new function. So left 0, down 2, left 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, left 2, up 0, right 2, up 0. Now here is our new function with the transformation, and it's shifting down 2 units. And this is how you can take your parent functions and add or subtract outside the function to move it up or down.